Hello, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 10 Mark III. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. Firstly, enter Google app. Now, go to Settings, Google Assistant, Voice Match, and enable this function. Go back, enter lock screen, and also make sure that this function is enabled. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, "Hey Google, what's the weather like today?"
It's 41 and mostly cloudy. Today, it'll be partly cloudy with a high of 43 and a low of 29.
If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.